today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks from image using Gemini AI. Before we start, an essential note. Removing watermarks from images you don't own or don't have explicit permission to modify is unethical and often illegal. Watermarks exist to protect creators and licensors. I won't be demonstrating how to strip a watermark. Instead, I'll show you how to approach this responsibly, working only with images you created yourself or have written permission to edit, and how to achieve clean, professional visuals with Gemini without crossing legal or ethical lines. Begin by opening your Gemini account on the official site and signing in. If you're new, create an account and make sure you're using a modern browser with a stable internet connection. This reduces upload errors and speeds up processing. It also helps to organize your files ahead of time so you can quickly access assets you own or are authorized to edit. As you prepare, double-check the license or permission terms for each image and keep a record of them. If you need a clean version of an image you don't own, the right path is straightforward. License a watermark, free file from a legitimate source, or contact the creator for approval. Do not upload or attempt to modify restricted images. Respecting these boundaries protects you legally and supports the people who make the content you love. For images you created yourself, say you added text or a logo overlay to your own photo, the best practice is to return to your original project file and remove the text layer there. If you don't have the layered file, consider reshooting or exporting a fresh, unmarked version from your source. Gemini is great for enhancing what you legitimately control, but it should not be used to erase protected marks. To generate a new original image with Gemini, start a fresh chat. Clearly describe the scene, mood, composition, lighting, and any specific details you want, and note that the result should be clean and free of logos or textual overlays. High-quality prompts tend to produce higher quality outputs. Be patient while Gemini processes your request, especially for complex scenes. When the output appears, review it closely. Zoom in on edges, gradients, and repeating textures, and check for artifacts. If something looks off, refine your description and run it again. Always keep an untouched backup of your originals and maintain records of your permissions or licenses. Handled this way, you'll achieve polished, professional results while fully respecting creators and the law.